Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to go live on TikTok with less than 1000 followers. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is make an account with Restream. Over here, it's free and it takes a few seconds. After that, add a channel to your dashboard and select TikTok. Then you need to log into your TikTok account. After that, Restream will handle requesting access from TikTok to Livestream. Over here, if you don't see the option, there is a link on their website that you can click on to request access. Then it can take around 24 hours to complete. After that, you'll see that you have the ability to go live from TikTok. So that's basically how you can go live on TikTok with less than 1000 followers. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.